Hi, I'm Justin Smith, Business Development Executive with Spiffy Mobile Car Wash and Detailing, and today we're going to walk through a demonstration of our Custom Fleet app. So you can access the Custom Fleet app from your smartphone. Once in the Fleet app, you'll have access to each of your branches. In this case, we have one service location where you can view services already requested and completed at your location, request services, or go to the dashboard to manage branches, for any questions, or be able to contact Spiffy. If you want to go and take a look at what services are being completed now or what has been completed, you choose View Branch, and it will load any services that have been completed within the last 5 days or are still pending. In this case, you can go in and see that your appointment is complete. You can rate the service, see what vehicle the service is completed on, the cost of the service, and also see any pictures that you have set up. Once on this page, you can also request service. So you can easily request services from your phone, create a new service, and in the service request screen, you must put in one of either the VIN or unit number. This allows us to accurately bill your account so that you're not missing any numbers or that it's required when you're requesting that service. It'll let you know that you've requested the service. We can set it up so that you request service immediately or schedule for a later date. You can then choose to create another appointment or submit that appointment. After you requested the service, you can go to View Your Branch, where you will be able to see on your dashboard the status of your pending appointment. You can be very specific with what access each employee has. For instance, an area manager could list every single branch that they manage. A branch manager will only have access to their individual branch, and an individual fleet manager might only have access to run certain reports to request certain services. To request a demo today, visit our site at getspiffy.com/fleet.